Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, a brand new product. Now, hold up a second, before we dive in, I want you to do me a solid favor. Check out the full review I've put together for you.
Hey, stop scrolling for just 60 seconds. Because what you're about to see is a breakthrough that's never been done before in the AI world. Introducing Perplex AI, a never-seen-before AI app that gives you direct access to the advanced Perplexity AI research technology, including the latest real-time research and writing models. So you can create fresh, accurate, and up-to-date content on demand. No outdated answers, no hallucinated facts, no monthly fees. Just real-time, research-backed content at your fingertips. Let's take a quick drive inside the Perplex AI app. Once you log in, you instantly enter the Command Center, your central hub where all the magic happens. Clean, simple, powerful. Everything you need is one click away. Step 2. Access AI Chat. Now click on AI Chat, and right here, select Perplexity AI. This is where the magic really begins. Because unlike any other chatbot you've ever used, Perplex AI taps directly into Perplexity's official engine for real-time web research. Step 3. Select your model. Next, select the Perplexity model you want to use. Sonar Pro for lightning-fast, up-to-date answers. Sonar Reasoning Pro for deep, advanced research and complex problem-solving. Choose the one that fits your task, and you're ready to go. Step 4. Start creating. Now, hit Start, and here's the big difference from every other AI model on the market today. You don't just get generic, recycled answers. You get fresh, up-to-date content pulled in real time from the web. Plus advanced research-grade insights you can use for blogs, ads, scripts, reports, articles, and more. This is the kind of power that used to cost hundreds of dollars a month in subscriptions. Now it's all inside one single app. So if you're tired of outdated AI answers, tired of paying monthly fees, tired of tools that sound smart but get the facts wrong, Perplex AI is your answer. Click the button below, grab your lifetime access today, and start creating real-time, research-backed content in minutes. But hurry, early bird pricing ends soon. Welcome to the future of AI research and content creation. Welcome to Perplex AI.